In this video, you will learn how to close your Halifax account online. First, log into your online banking. Go to the Halifax website and log into your online banking account using your username and your password. Then, go to the help and support section. Once logged in, navigate to the help and support section. This is usually found in the menu on the footer of the website. Search for close my account in the help and support section. Here will be relevant key terms. Request account closure. You may be given the option to close your account directly from the online portal. If not, you will likely have to direct Halifax customer service directly. Contact customer service. Once you've contacted Halifax customer service through the online chat, email or by phone, let them know you wish to close your account permanently and they will guide you through the process step by step. Clear your account. Make sure there are no pending transactions or outstanding balances in your Halifax account. Then, transfer the remaining balance to another account before proceeding with the closure of your account. Confirmation. Once you've requested has been processed, Halifax will confirm that your account is being closed. You may receive an email or a letter confirming the closure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.